I'm a mom of 2 young kids who was working from home. There was just this intense, like, low-grade frustration that was building to anger that ultimately built to, like, complete rage. So when a woman is angry, she's crazy or she's being irrational, we tend to have to be more put together. Otherwise, there can be consequences.
This scream came up out of my body that has never, ever come out of me. By the time the scream part comes up in that, these women are screaming anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes straight. That's an average.
Anger facilitates a tremendous amount of change. It facilitates power. So this, I think it's like a systematic repression of sorts, so that women don't get to wield that weapon in a way.
When you see the 2,000 people coming out of the office, you'll find the men relaxed, going to a tea shop, having a smoke, chit-chatting and all that. Whereas you find the women hurrying to the bus station or train station, thinking about what to cook. More and more women are getting educated and employed and having an economic independence. So the dissonance between a patriarchal system at home and an emancipated woman at, say, outside of home causes a lot of anger.
The women are just like, they've been able to say no more in a way that's actually facilitating change, and they're using their anger to do it.